you should go to Definition panel to add, modify, and delete products. Enter username and password. Click on the product screen on the left side of the screen. Click on the plus sign at the top of the table. If you do not want to enter ID in this field, ID is assigned by the software. However, you can also enter ID. Then you should enter name, category, and department information. Then click on the Save button. To go to the product details, click on the big sign to the left of the row with the product. Here you can see how many units of the product are available in which stores and the price of the product. You can generate specific product names for each store. However, each store will have a single price. If you want to delete the product, click on the trash can at the end of the row where the product is located.